Hey, lovely one, I get it. If you're looking for a firewalking instructor training school and you've Googled it and you're thinking, how do I know from all these shiny websites which one I can trust? And I'm right with you. I did a lot of research before I did my training back in 2008. And I remember one of the schools, it's one of the could train me over a weekend. I liked the idea of that, but I also thought, I'm going to be taking people over fire. I could get sued. I could hurt people. No, I don't trust that. Don't know if I was right not to trust it, but for me, that was an indicator of that I needed to keep the search. The second thing to look out for is, what environment are you being trained in? Is it congruent to a life-changing experience? Because you're going to want to give people life-changing experience. Therefore, you need to be trained in the same manner. Number 3 is, what is the footage that's out there? When you see them on video, is there plenty of videos out there of them? And are they living and breathing it? I mean, I might take it too far. I do have a real non-negotiable 100% commitment to living and breathing and walking my talk. But when you watch their videos, do you see the heart and spirit of fire and firewalking? Because if you don't, that is something you absolutely deserve in your training and in your being when you take the training out into the world. Another thing to look for is, who are they insured by? Because the insurance company I work with specifically asked me, how many days is your instructor training course? And there is a number of days that they don't insure because they don't believe people are have had the full training experience that makes them competent and confident with taking people over fire. And the last thing that I'll say in this little list is, go to one of their firewalks. Go to one of their firewalks and see if you feel more you than you have ever felt in your life before. The real you inside. Let your intuition be your guidance. It will absolutely be spot on. All right, hope that's helpful. Lots of love.
I want to do it again. Just absolutely do it. It's the best thing that I've done, and I've come out of this fully embodying my role as a firewalk instructor. I feel so confident going out there and doing